Hello student, in this video we are going to solve a long question of reconstruction of partnership. In this method or in this example, all the methods are covered. All the method means last two methods are covered. Second method is revaluation of assets and liability, right? And third method is distribution of accumulated profit and loss. In this question, you are asked to give necessary journal entry, prepare revaluation account and balance sheet. But students, it is advisable to prepare partner capital account because the profit or loss of revaluation account transfer to partner capital account. So balance of partner capital account may be changed. For this purpose, we have prepared partner capital account. But it is remember that partner capital account is not compulsory to prepare, right? Okay, first of all we are going to read the example. Right here two partners are given, Sajan and Nirmi, right? Their old profit sharing ratio is 5:3, which is given at the beginning. Balance sheet is given. On liability side, capital, general reserve, P&L accounts are given, right? Students, they are reserves, so they are distributed between partners. Some liabilities and assets are given. Partner decided to change their profit sharing ratio 1:1. Also, they want to reevaluate assets and liability. In this question, we have to prepare necessary account first. Revaluation account, balance sheet and capital account. Then after, we can make journal entry easily. So let us start one by one particular. In this question, first of all, we have to consider balance of partner capital account and it is immediately transferred to partner capital account, old partner capital account. So Sajan and Nirmi capital 80,000 and 50,000, they are transferred on credit side of partner capital account by balance brought down. Sajan capital 80,000, Nirmi capital 50,000. Then after consider some reserve and accumulated profit. Two reserves are given here, general reserve and profit and loss account. So first of all, general reserve has a credit balance, and as per our previous lecture, journal entry of general reserve is general reserve account debit to partner capital account. So partner capital account credit side by general reserve account. 80,000 divided between partner in their old ratio. What is old profit sharing ratio? 5:3. So 80,000 divided between partner 5:3. So 50,000 and 30,000. 80,000 5:3 ratio. 5/8 50,000 and 3/8 30,000. This is distribution of general reserve. Same thing, balance of profit and loss account is given. So it is also given on liability side. So it has credit balance. So journal entry is profit and loss account debit to partner capital account. So credit side of partner capital account, we have to return profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is given 48,000. 5:3 ratio, right? So 5:3. So total 8. So here 30,000 and 18,000. 48,000 5/8. That is 30,000 and 3/8 18,000. So here profit and loss account 30,000 and 18,000. Now understand one by one adjustment. Here the value of building is to be increased by 10%. By 10% means 10% increase. What is old value of land and building? 1,40,000. So here inner column 1,40,000 plus increase 10%. 10% 14,000. 14,000 add. So what is new value of land and building? 1,54,000. This is first effect. Immediately second effect of increase in land and building. This effect given to revaluation account. We have seen that if any asset increase means plus to same side of revaluation account. Same means right side of revaluation account. Here by land and building account 14,000. Understand? Plus to same side, minus opposite side. Second adjustment, the value of machinery and furniture is to be reduced by 40%. Two assets reduced by 40%. By 40 means direct 40% reduce. So one by one assets, machinery. What is old value of machinery? Old value of machinery is 80,000. Less decrease by 40% means 32,000. The new value of machinery is 48,000. As well as furniture reduced by 40%. Furniture also reduced by 40%. So what is old value of furniture? Old value of furniture is 30,000. Decreased by 40% means 12,000. So new value of machinery is 18,000. Understand? Now second effect of both the adjustment. Machinery and furniture both are reduced. Reduce means minus. And if there is a minus, go to opposite side. Opposite side means debit side of revaluation account to machinery account. Decrease. How much decrease? 32,000. To furniture account. To furniture account. How much decrease? 12,000. Are you understand? Increase means plus. Plus same side. And decrease means minus. Minus opposite side. Third adjustment, rupees 1,000 bad debt reserve debtor is not required. Bad debt reserve debtor of rupees 1,000 not required. That means how much required? So in balance sheet, bad debt reserve is given 1,500. 1,500, 1,000 not required. Minus 1,000. So how much required? 500. So debtor shown in inner column 40,000. 1,000 not required means how much required? 500. So bad debt reserve 500 less. New value of debtor is 39,500. Now, second effect of bad debt reserve in revaluation account. Bad debt reserve is recorded on debit side of revaluation account to BBR. Right? And as per our previous discussion, new minus old. New 1,500 minus new 500 and old 1,500. So here minus answer, minus 1,000, new minus old. And as per our discussion, if there is a minus, it should be shown on opposite side. Opposite side means credit side by BBR account. How much? 1,000 minus. I understand? If there is a positive, it should be shown on outer column. Negative, outside means opposite side. Fourth adjustment, 1,500 repairing expenses required for stock. Repairing expense reduce the value of stock. So what is old value of stock? 31,500. It will be shown here. Minus decrease. 1,500 decrease. 1,500 decrease. So new value of stock is 30,000. Again minus on the opposite side. Opposite side to stock account. How much? 1,500. Number 5. Rupees 1,500 out of the creditor is not to be paid, which is to be recorded in the books. Creditor decrease. The decreasing creditor means minus from creditor. Here 3 lines left for partner capital account. Right? Who are partner? Sajan and Nimi. Closing balance of partner capital should be right here. Now our adjustment is creditor. Old value of creditor is 32,000. Out of 32,000, how much not paid? 1,500 not paid. 1,500 not paid. 1,500 less. What is new value of creditor? 32,000 minus 1,500 is equal to 30,500. I understand one by one adjustment. Increase, decrease in asset. Okay, immediately second effect of decrease in creditor. Minus means opposite side, means right side of revaluation account here. Like creditor account. 1,500. So I understand decrease means minus opposite side. Six adjustment, outstanding expense rupees 10,000 and income receivable 2,000. Both are unrecorded particular. One is asset, another is liability. The unrecorded outstanding expense is the liability side. It should be shown directly on liability side. Outstanding expense amount 10,000. Liability side means left side. So it is immediately recorded on left side of revaluation account. Left side outstanding expense 10,000. As well as income receivable is rupees 2,000. Income receivable is an asset. It should be shown asset side. Income receivable amount is 2,000. Right? 2,000. Right side recorded, so immediately same side. Right side income receivable account amount 2,000. Understand? Next, investment is to be shown at its market value. Investment shown at their market value, but market value is not given on point number 7. But you can see that on asset side, investment is given into bracket market value 18,000. It is to be considered. So what is book value of investment? 20,000. The market value of 20,000 now 18,000, means 2,000 decrease in investment. So your investment shown 20,000 book value minus decrease 2,000. So automatically investment shown at the market value. And market value of investment is rupees 18,000. Understand? 18,000 shown. Okay, decrease means opposite side. Opposite side means debit side of revaluation account to investment account 2,000. Right? So you can see that here all adjustments are completed 1 to 7. Now just refer on liability side. If any particular which is not affected due to this adjustment, they are shown as it is in the new balance sheet as in old balance sheet. So on liability side, 12% bank loan is given. 12% bank loan, no adjustment. So it is shown as it is in the new balance sheet, that is 70,000. Another unaffected particular liability side is bills payable. So bills payable shown 10,000. On asset side, land and building completed, machinery complete, furniture complete, emission complete, data complete, stock complete. Only cash balance not complete, unaffected. So cash balance shown as it is 30,000. You understand how to start example? First of all, we are prepared 3 accounts. Then after write down balance of capital, general reserve distributed, P&L distributed. Then after revaluation of assets and liability. After completion of all adjustment, we have to write unaffected particular in the new balance sheet, same as in the old balance sheet. And now closing section. Which account close first? So first of all, close revaluation account. Right? Sometime revaluation account shows profit or sometimes loss. Here debit side higher. You can see the debit side higher than credit side. So debit balance of revaluation account is shown revaluation profit. Sorry, revaluation loss, not profit. The total of debit side of revaluation account 57,500. 57,500. Right, both side 57,500. The difference transferred to partner capital account. Partner capital account. What is total difference? So your total difference is 39,000. This is revaluation loss, and this loss divided between partner Sajan and Nirmi. In which ratio? In their old profit sharing ratio. What is old profit sharing ratio? So here 5:3. So 39,000 divided between partner in their old ratio 5:3. So 5/8. So your 24375 received by Sajan and 14625 received by Nirmi. And this profit loss transferred to partner capital account on opposite side, because if there is a loss transferred to debit side. Here to which account? revaluation account. Revaluation account, right? 24375 and 14625. After completion of revaluation account, next step, close partner capital account and find out profit or loss. Okay, find out balance, not profit loss. Balance of partner capital account, generally credit side. Credit side total is 1,60,000 and here total is 98,000. 1,60,000, 98,000. To balance carried forward. Closing balance of Sajan 135,625 and Nirmi 83375. They are closing balance of partner capital account 135,625, 83375. It will be shown on liability side of the balance sheet. So liability side, inner column 135,625 and 83375. Total of partner capital, outer column 2,19,000, and finally total of balance sheet. The total of balance sheet is 3,39,500. 3,39,500. Understand? So this is long question of chapter number 4, reconstruction of partnership, revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet. Understand? Okay, thank you very much.